Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a beautiful chess puzzle like that position. White first to move, then achieve a victory in two moves. The black is here. You have two pawns, one, two. And then there is also two knight, one, two. The white king is here. There is one rook, one bishop, and one knight. What do you think in that position? Is that white win or black will win or a draw? We have noticed that the black pawn here is for promotion. The direction of that is like that. For promotion, but that pawn. So let's think about. Okay, in that position, it's obvious to support his pawn because this is for promotion. Let's say we move on g4, rook g4, and then black answer knight f4. So cannot be promote his pawn because there is a rook. So there is no mate in that. If he check his bishop, king answer, king f5. Oh, there is no mate on that. Let's return to the position like that. Like that position. How about his bishop? We make a first move with his bishop. Bishop g7 check. Black answer, king takes rook. So there is no mate on that move. We back to the position like that. Back to the position. White first to move and block. Mate in two moves. So, how about his knight? Example, we make a first move with his knight. Knight d4, for example. Black answer, knight takes rook. So there is no mate on that. If we check on here, there is a square to move here, the block. So there is no mate. We return back to the position like that. White first to move and block. Mate in two moves. So we try already his knight, the bishop. There is no mate. We have noticed that his pawn block for promotion like that. How about his knight? We try already his knight. We move on here, but there is no mate. White first to move and block. Mate in 2 moves. How about his knight? For example, we make the first move his knight. For example, we make first move his knight, knight d6. Oh, that is the right move. If knight takes rook, bishop g7 checkmate. If he move his pawn d4, mate by rook. Rook f5, checkmate. For example, he move his knight here to cover. Oh, still mate by knight. Knight f7, checkmate. So, that is the right move. Knight d6. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-view po. Please like and subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe po. Thank you po. Then I have one more 2 moves chess puzzle here. Chance for viewers to test their chess skills and learn. Then you can leave a comment at the comment section so that I know who among of you solved that puzzle. The king, there is no square to move here. He have only one knight. The white one, the king is here. He have one rook, queen, and only one pawn. Like that. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-view po. Please like and subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe po. Isa lang po itong libangan po. Maraming salamat po.